Hello guys, this is Rafiq with you. If you use your iPhone to shop online, your entire bank account is hanging by a thread right now. We all love the convenience of mobile shopping, but your default browser settings are essentially an open invitation for hackers and fraudsters to steal your credit card details. In this video, I'm going to show you a few steps to completely lock down Google Chrome and protect your bank cards from unauthorized withdrawals. Let's get your device secured. First, we are plugging the single biggest security backdoor. Open Google Chrome on your iPhone, tap the three dots in the bottom right corner and open Settings. Now, click on Payment Methods. You will see a list of toggles. The most critical one here is labeled Save Security Codes. Did you know that those three numbers called CVC codes on your bank card are meant to be entered manually every single time? Chrome hoards them so you can shop faster, but this means any malicious app or a stolen phone can instantly withdraw money using your saved cards. Turn this switch completely off. Next, we are forcing your phone actually to use its security hardware. Stay in that same Payment Methods menu. Find the toggle labeled Confirm Identity for autofill of payment details. By default, this is usually turned off. This means anyone who has your unlocked phone can complete a checkout. Turn this on right now. Every time you autofill a payment, you will be forced to use your fingerprint or Face ID, adding an impenetrable second layer of security. Finally, we need to stop Chrome from hoarding your location and contact information. Go back one menu in Settings, then click Addresses and More. If that switch is enabled, your home address, delivery address, and phone number are all being stored in the browser, ready to be picked up by malicious trackers or ad networks that will flood your life with spam. Turn that completely off. For your long-term security, it takes 2 extra seconds to type your address manually. Now your browser is secured, your bank cards are muzzled, and your personal data stays on your device. Drop a comment below and tell me if the CVC saving toggle was already enabled on your phone. It's usually a sneaky default setting. That's all guys. If this video helpful, hit like and share and subscribe for more.